Hi, I'm Dr. Christina Callahan, and today I'm going to show you how to change the wax filter and the earbud on your Lively hearing aid.
The first step is to remove the earbud. Look at how the receiver fits into the hole at the base of the earbud to secure it. Carefully peel off from here without ripping. This small white circular piece you now see is the wax filter that needs to be changed. In the Lively kit, we included extra wax filters. If you remove one of the black sticks, you can see one side is the new filter and the other side is the pick to remove the old one. Use the pick side to remove the old filter and then put the new one in its place. The last step is to put the earbud back on. On the receiver, there are two ridges to ensure the bud is on securely. Place the receiver back into the hole at the base of the earbud over both ridges. Lightly brush over it to ensure it's on securely and does not come off easily.